Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term NTR. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, NTR is slang for romantic betrayal or cuckoldry, especially in Japanese media and fandoms. People use it when describing plots or situations where someone's partner is unfaithful. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. NTR first showed up in the 1980s adult manga scene. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among anime and manga fans. Now let's check out how to use NTR in a sentence. Correct example 1. The anime plot featured intense NTR that shocked and upset many fans. Correct example 2. I didn't expect so much NTR in that new series. It caught me off guard. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said NTR at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using NTR right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. NTR means romantic betrayal or cuckoldry in anime contexts. It started in the 1980s adult manga scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with NTR in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.